welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR, and today I'm building a bike stand, a motorcycle stand. So let's get started. Okay, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. You may be joining for the first time because you care about motorcycles and not about C10 trucks or Turbo LS stuff. So either way, I thank you for joining me. And this is my Preppercycle GS1100 project. As you can see, it's pretty rough. If you know, hopefully you watched the earlier video. It needs some love and attention, and it's going to get it this winter. But the first step for me is to get it up off the ground. I'm 6'5". I am not interested in sitting here on the floor of the garage. It's cold. It's like 39 degrees out right now. So I'm going to show you how I built a bike stand for less than $20 today. First, I'm going to use my cherry picker to pick the bike up. And we'll step out here real quick. So I understand that not everybody has the metalworking tools that I have, but they build whole houses out of 2x4s. So this moving dolly, which is rated for 1,000 pounds, and the bike's only like 500 pounds. This was $10 at my local home improvement store. Those 2x4s were $3.29. And I'm sure I have two of them there. I'm sure that's more than enough. And those screws there on the bumper of my truck were $3. So I mean, we're into this for 18 bucks or something like that. And I have a skill saw. If you don't have a skill saw, you can use a hand saw. I'm really just gonna eyeball this and go by ear. And yeah, I mean, you get the idea already, but I'm going to go ahead and pick the bike up, and you guys are going to go on to some kind of time lapse, most likely. I'm sure there's somebody out there. I don't have this bike does not have a center stand. So, like, even if I had one, I wouldn't want to use it anyway, but I don't have one. And it seems to me like my swing arm is not swinging. Like, I pick it up, it doesn't move. So I really want it up to about here. And I want to be able to wheel it. I want to get the wheels off of it, particularly the front forks are taking up a big, huge chunk of space in the garage. It's pretty valuable for me. So I want to get it up in the air, and the first step to that is to actually hook it to the cherry picker here. So let me get some straps. Okay, so the cherry picker didn't work. I don't want to get into it. As is typical, it was a total debacle. So I had to use my floor jack, and I got it kind of sketchily on these jack stands. Yeah, I know that this can kill me. So, but what I'm going to do is measure from here to here, and cut myself some 2x4s and just build a little box on top of this thing. And I'll go from there. So I will be back here momentarily when I've cut my boards. All right. Okay, so it's the next day. I jacked the bike up sketchily. I think I covered that in the last video. Anyway, I built a little box on this dolly, this moving dolly. I think it's 9 by 12 inches or something. Looks like it's 18 by 12 inches. This may shock some of you that are new to the channel, but those of you who have been here for a while, you'll see it's lopsided. Whatever. I didn't use a high degree of strategery. I think that a lot of people overdo things and over-engineer things, and I think that this will be just fine. So what I've done here is rolled it up under there, under the frame. I took my pipe off because it runs underneath on this particular bike. Then I cut some 2x4s to use as little legs, and I'm going to screw the 4 of them in, and then I will build another box on top so that it's pretty sturdy, and that will be the whole thing. So I'll be back once I have them all screwed together, and you can see how. Moments later, little legs screwed into my little box. They feel secure. So what I'm going to do now is put 2x4s the fat way, not like this, but like this, across here for the frame to sit on. And then I will box that in, and hopefully the whole thing's sturdy. So that's it. I had a board that just happened to fit between here and here. So I screwed it to the outside, and then I cut another one exactly the same height or length. I have these, you know, screwed into these. I'm going to give it a whirl. I'm going to go ahead and set it up there and see how it looks. So I will be right back when I get it. I believe my frame can just sit right here like this, and everything will be good and all will be well. And I'll have little wheels, which may be a mistake, but we will find out shortly. So I will be right. And there we go. It's up where I can work on it. The carbs will be at my face level when I'm sitting on my little creeper stool. You know, rather than standing on my head upside down. It rolls around easily. It's a little wonky, I'll admit. I wouldn't jump on it or do backflips off of it or anything, but I mean, it serves a purpose, and it will get me by for $17. You know, good luck finding a better one. So later on, at some point, I'll probably get one of those screw jack ones so I can pick it up and put it down, whatever. But for right now, this is going to be pretty great. So hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to like and share and subscribe for more. And be sure to check us out on Facebook at The Driveway Engineer. Until next time, thanks for watching. We'll see you.